switch. Oh, that's why. When the fan...
Feel it. It is. It's hot. It's hot.
Watch my hand here. Twist it a little bit. Look at that. Man stuck in there. Jesus Christ. Hey, little kitty. Ooh, look at that. Whoa. 12 years ago, the owner of this building, new owner, had us out to give him a price for 4 new boilers. When I got there and looked at these, I said, keep these forever, and convinced him to do so. Now, 12 years later, we get the very first service call. And man, it wasn't a hard one at all. What a treat to see these still running. Hey, subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. Bye-bye. Alright, over here. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, where are they? Did that just turn on?
No, that was me sticking my phone to it. It's warm.
Dude, I see a pilot light in there.
It feels warm.
Yeah, there's a pilot light on. I can see it. Oh, look at you. You got it right off. Yep, there's a pilot light.
Okay, well, then it's and of course they threw that at the bottom.
This is that, it doesn't have a thermocouple.
Yeah, well.
Doesn't have a thermocouple.
Oh, wow, it's at home.
That piece is destroyed.
Yeah.
We don't know what it is yet. We got to figure out what's going on here.
Yeah. We got to see if this can call up and see if it's
well, she's in 2, so right now this thing's got a bottom button too. I don't know if this is not making. Oh, look. It's this thing. Yeah, it's rattling away. Okay, that's probably an adjustment in there. Let's see if we got. Do we have a power? Do we see where this goes for power? Is there a there's a transformer over there. Is this it? This goes up. Yeah, there's a transformer right here. See that? And there should be a switch. There's a switch right here. That should have killed it. Tap that a little. Yep, it's killed. So this is that. It's this adjustment. This thing. See, there's a. How do you get this off?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, this thing off and out while this comes off.
Actually, how does that cover come off? It should just keep the light over here. I can't see nothing. It's inside here.
Looks like all screws. Looks like it slides toward the room.
No, yeah, it slides towards you, but how do you get the cover? Hey, look, this cover comes. No, shit, dude. This thing's like on there.
Yeah.
See, shine the light in there. Hey, that's that pilot safety switch, and the bimetal makes the contacts in there. Damn. Maybe, hold on, maybe I can lift it up and over a little, like that. See, there we go. Yeah, let's see if we can get, whatever, we can still get that. We should be able to get that off. See what you can do. Is there a back switch or something? Or, oh no, you're getting it. Maybe I can do a Ford commercial. We drive a Ford because it gets us where we need to go. Like and subscribe. Yeah. I know, right in your way, but you got it.
You're getting it there. Popping it off completely. Oh, it's so tight, man. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta pull it back this way while you're doing that. There we go. Is there like a screw on the bottom or something? Yeah, right there. This screw. Oh my God! Seriously? Sure is. No. Yeah. There's a fucking screw on there. Okay, hold on. Stick nothing in there. Let's see. That's the adjustment screw, I bet. I bet you we can just do that and fix it. Yeah. Oh, really? Lift it up for me. You're right in the light. Oh, the fucking light. Bring it over this way a little. I can't. The lid is so way. Okay, well then just lift it straight up. Don't stop moving. Okay, let's see what that does. Yeah? Yeah, look at that, huh? But he should have a students in the spring review all of these. Yeah, they should be. Those all bad. We need to fucking do that. You gotta tell him he's gotta call us in the spring to do that. All right, be quiet. We're good there. So you see that? That was just a little adjustment. Through time, what ends up happening is that bimetal inside there, it closes when you got a pilot light and pushes on a set of contacts in there. Well, through time, it just got weaker, and that little adjustment screw that I turned there lets you readjust it. Really cool. Really cool. We were able to fix it like that. Really cool old boiler. They last forever. And see that? Main flames came on. You can look right in there. Wow, I know they said 1909 on here somewhere, man. They used to I can't remember, but no pumps to go wrong. See the serial Dude, look at the gauge, man. Shine the light on that gauge. Dude, look at that thing. That is awesome. It is cool. That is so cool, and man. It still works. That's the pressure. No, it just turned on. That can't work. This thing's been off. No, that's pressure inside of it. Oh, yeah, because it's a water boiler. Yeah, it's a gravity boiler. That's most certainly. It's kind of a low pressure if it is, but hey, it's working. Okay, let me show.
Imagine when these boilers were first in and it was coal and you had to wake up in the middle of the night, probably send the kid down to shovel coal into that boiler. Wild, you know? And then to get the upgrade to gas must have just been amazing. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.